So, ma'am, congratulations for the signing of the power sharing. Ano po yung mga provisions po ng power sharing?
Medyo mahaba itong annex na to. There are about 5 parts, including the structure of government, some level of detail. Of course, very important yung intergovernmental relations principles, a set of principles on intergovernmental relations, a list of the powers which we have classified as reserved powers of the central government, concurrent powers of both central and Bangsamoro governments, and exclusive or devolved powers of the Bangsamoro government. Then several items on other matters at saka that's it.
Yeah.
These are the most important parts. Yeah.
So, ma'am, paano po naka-apekto yung Marawi incident? Naka-apekto ba sa length or sa quality ng discussions?
Yes, we discussed these incidents during the talks, during the executive session. So pinag-usapan talaga natin ito dahil alam natin ang ating mga kababayan concerned about yung nangyayaring, yung peace and order situation natin on the ground. And both parties have, of course, given instruction to our respective mechanisms to ensure that ma-address yung mga problema at nang siguraduhin na hindi na kumalat yung gulo at tignan ko anong dapat aksyon na gagawin para matiyak na ang mga bagay na to ay hindi maulit at saka kung ano man kailangan na hakbang para magkaroon ng disiplina sa ranks ng bawat isa, especially in this instance dun sa mga nagsagawa nitong ilang uh, mga aksyon na nangyari dito sa Marawi at saka yung isa pang lumabas na balita ngayon sa Baloy at tinitingnan natin yan.
So, how does the panel feel right now with the signing of the power sharing?
Anyway, I guess we feel very satisfied and relieved that finally, after about a year and a half, we finished the annex on power sharing. Nakuha rin sa tiyaga.
That's a year and a half since we put up the technical working
That's
group,
right,
but it's 6 months after the last annex,
Yeah,
the
yung-
annex on the wealth
Well,
sharing.
sharing last July.
Pinakita talaga kung gaano kahirap magkaroon ng mga compromises, no? Dito sa lahat ng mga usapin na makikita natin dito sa loob ng annex.
So, we understand, ma'am, na hindi po nakabul talaga sa, I mean, hindi kinompromise yung quality ng discussions and agreements. So, ano po yung mga naging bottlenecks sa discussion, especially sa power sharing annex?
Siguro ang unang-una na yung sa usapin ng transportation kasi ang daming aspeto nito. Alam natin may patungkol din dito sa land, air, and sea transportation elements at nung nakaraan ay nagtalo pa tayo ng mga experts natin, experts ng parehong partido para masubukan itong may address. But in the end, na pagkasunduan sa level ng principles kung ano mag-a-apply sa that will eventually define the respective yung jurisdictions over the various items relating to transportation. Saka ano pa bang medyo mahirap?
Anyway, nagkaroon din ng mahabang diskusyon tungkol dun sa structure of government. But finally, na-resolve din yung mga issues. Dahil kasi it's a new form of government. That's why it took a little while before we could finally reach some agreement on that.
So, ma'am, ano po yung magiging next step for the peace talks with the MALF?
Yung remaining annex, yung normalization na kasama nito because apat naman yung annex. At saka yung addendum that on the pertaining to matters on water, which is kasi nasa framework agreement yun that there's going to be a addendum on the annexes of wealth sharing and power sharing in relation to waters. No? So that's what we also have to deal with also. So yun yung mga remaining before the comprehensive agreement on the Bangsamoro Canvas.
So, kailan po yung target completion po natin itong last annex and the addendum?
Well, kung itong power sharing annex ay naging Christmas gift namin sa isa't isa, inaasahan natin ay maging New Year's gift naman yung mga natitirang mga ano pa, kailangan ilagay sa papel bago mapirmahan yung comprehensive agreement on the Bangsamoro.
Does it mean mangyari po yung next meeting in January?
Very soon, but ang layunin natin ay in the meantime at mahanapan talaga ng mga maayos na pamamaraan at saka substantive agreement on the remaining issues.
Okay. Thank you po, ma'am. Congrats.